What's the intro today? The intro is there is no intro. That's the intro. So we're gonna make Thai green curry, not Thai green curry, raw fish dish vibe situation. You need to start off with the fish, get that cleaned up nicely. Fish cleaning is a skill, but to do it well takes practice. I tell you a story about how I clean 10 fish every day, but that would be a lie. Now we're gonna make the first dressing, tamarind dressing, tablespoon and a half, Nook Mom sauce, Korean fish sauce, a little bit rice vinegar, some palm sugar, throw some lime zest. We want this dressing to be but not in a bad way, just like a lime juice as well. It's tasty taste before we finish it. Now for the green curry. Ginger, soften the lemongrass, 3 spring onions, coriander, basil, rice vinegar again. Get your mind out of the gutter, I'm only saucing. And then coconut milk. And this is our inspirations of a Thai green curry. That's what we call in this one. And now we blend. Now we taste. Oh. I'm just gonna strain the sauce quickly. And then that you'll set aside, allow it to cool. Gonna be fridge cold. So gonna make some crispy garlic. If you don't have a slicer, have a sharp knife. We just want these to hit golden, a little bit crispy. So just gonna toast some cashew nuts, just to add some texture, make it a little bit more interesting while you eat. Now, we're waiting for everything to chill. Drinks break. Just gonna make a quick little sambal, if you will. We're gonna go some spring onions, a couple slices of chili, some toasted garlic, some onions, cashews in there as well, basil, and then we'll season it. Before I slice the fish, soften some rice paper. That's the hardest job, pouring water on the rice paper. Make sure you do it properly. It's a crucial step, and that's a joke, so don't laugh. Slicing fish. Which one was I slicing? This one? Yeah. Now we're adding some lychees. Make nice little cuts of it. Now it's nice. And you pay your tax. Always pay your taxes. Now we taste. It's like a cake. It's like a disco party in your mouth. Eat. Try it. It's nice.